Goodbye, Suzuki Vitara EV. Hello again, Jaecoo BEV 5. It's been a while. Nice to be back in the Jaecoo. This feels so much more responsive and nippier than the Suzuki Vitara EV, and you sit a lot higher up, you get much better visibility. Yeah, I have missed this car, I'll be honest, I have missed it. So as you can see, I've got the Jaecoo back. It's nice to have it back. It's been in the garage for just over, well, it's almost 4 weeks it's been in the garage. They've replaced the boot struts and they've told me it's ready. So the first thing I've done when I've got in the vehicle is adjust the settings so that the tailgate opens 95%, just in case it was the fact that it was overstretching a little bit last time, but so I've set that to 95% now for the height it can open, and hopefully, touch wood, that is that problem sorted and it won't come back. We've just got a few firmware updates that are required now, and then hopefully that's going to be everything and we've got everything working. But yeah, brilliant. They called me yesterday, and so I've been over this morning to fetch it, so fingers crossed all is good now. First thing I'll do is check from the app. Just going to test all the 4 ways of opening the boot. Actually, I think there's 5 ways, because you can technically walk up and then walk away from it to open it. So let's open it from the app first anyway, on that button there. Enter my pin. There we go, so it's past the app opening. Let's open it from inside next. Okay, so I'm going to press it on the button just to the right of the lights. Yeah, brilliant, that's worked. Alright, try it on the key fob next. Yeah, that's 3 out of 3. Right, next one we'll just try it on the actual boot release mechanism. Oh yes, 4 out of 4. And then the other one, in theory, you can walk up to it with the key fob and then walk away, but I've never really tested this one, don't know if this one works. No, I'll have to work on that one. Not no, I'll have to look into that one further. But anyway, the 4 actual standard ways of opening the boot are working, so that's good. So I'm happy with that. So let's just do a quick summary. Just a quick summary then. Now I've got the vehicle back. I've checked the boot. That's working fine. As for the other issues, still no fix for the poor radio reception. Still no fix for the lower speaker volumes in the rear of the car. As I mentioned at the start of the video as well, when I picked up the car, I've also set the opening height for the tailgate to 95%, just in case it was the fact that 100% just really puts it to full extent, and that just took it over the edge in terms of overstraining the boot strut. So I've set it for 95%, and then we'll see how we go now. As for the trip computer and stuff, there's obviously no fix for that either at the minute. Still waiting on firmware, but hopefully that is addressed soon with firmware. Not quite sure if the radio reception will be firmware or if that will actually require some sort of antenna or antenna booster, but hopefully that gets addressed soon. But fingers crossed, you know, we're winning now, and we've got the bulk of the issues sorted. Well, we'll keep you updated as to how we go on over the next few weeks and stuff, and I'll do another update at the end of the next month and the following month, just in case there is any updates. and hopefully, I say there will be an update out soon, and the other minor issues get addressed. But anyway, thanks for watching. I hope this has been a good insight. If you have got a J5, hopefully you're having a more calmer experience than myself. But yeah, it is what it is. The dealership it went to, I'm not going to mention anything, but obviously they did address it. The parts didn't take that long to come in the end, a couple of weeks, because they did say that they had a motor in a couple of months ago, and it had a similar problem with the boot strut, and that one took 3 months for the parts to get resolved. So I'm quite fortunate that obviously they've found some stock somewhere and got it there quicker. So on the whole, we're getting there anyway. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you really soon. Bye.